Well, she obviously saw the tire tracks that were leading up to the closed garage.
Obviously.
Elizabeth, what are you doing here?
On its collar, and we could hear it every time it ran through the little kitty door. Of course, we'd have an apartment over the garage where Joey could grow old.
You know what? I don't want a big fancy wedding.
Ross, I thought that might be more at home in the garage.
Well, we don't have a garage.
Did I say garage? I meant garbage.
You know what, Mrs. Green? Maybe it's not absolutely vital that you live with us.
Look, and all those dinosaur knickknacks you have, Ross, I thought that might be more at home in the garage.
Well, we don't have a garage.
Did I say garage? I meant garbage.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word garage. It means a building or indoor area for parking or storing motor vehicles. Also means a commercial establishment for repairing and servicing motor vehicles. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce garage, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to Raz. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how garage is used in real life.
Are you still in this garage?
He's at work most of the time, and the garage is kind of my space.
Well, we can make some space in the garage, maybe there.
Dude, everybody knows a time machine loses half its value the minute...
Yeah, the freight elevator down to the garage.
He drank quite a bit when we had the garage.
I know what you think.
No, I don't want to hear it. I'm going down to clean up the garage. More like behind it, in the garage.
Okay.
No. There was Moss 1 that burned down my dad's garage.
I was in Jackson Kainer's carpeted garage. 11.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.